Welcome to Civil Engineering Tips channel.
Begins with the extraction of mineral-rich rocks from the earth, a process that typically takes place in expansive open-pit mines. These sites are characterized by their vast scale and the use of powerful machinery. Large excavators dig deep into the ground to loosen the ore, while massive dump trucks transport the raw material away for further processing. The iron ore itself is a natural resource, formed over millions of years through geological processes. The combination of nature's formation and human engineering makes iron ore mining a remarkable intersection of geology and technology. sets, the completed skyscraper stands tall against the horizon, its steel frame gleaming in the fading light. This impressive structure is a testament to the enduring strength of iron, transformed from raw ore deep within the earth to the backbone of modern architecture. The journey from mine to metropolis highlights not only technological achievement, but also the spirit of progress that shapes our cities. Each beam and rivet tells a story of innovation and determination, reminding us of the remarkable evolution of materials and ideas. In this moment, the skyscraper embodies both human ambition and the promise of the future.